an undulating sandy plain covered with sand dunes. This region receives very low rainfall below of 150 millimeters per year because it is located on the leeward side or on the rain shadow region of the Aravallis. Do you know? Barchans, which are crescent-shaped dunes, cover larger areas. They appear in crescent shape because half part of the dune is carried away by the wind. If you visit Jaisalmer, you may go to see a group of Barchans. Longitudinal dunes become more prominent near the Indo-Pakistan boundary. The coastal plains. India is having a very long coastline in the Indian Ocean with a length of more than 7,000 kilometers. This land is connected to the seas on the both sides. The peninsular plateau is bordered by the stretch of coastal strips running along the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on the east. The sea waves and the winds will always influence the climate of these coastal plains. The western margin of the India is the western coast and the eastern margin of India is the eastern coast. Let us now understand the differences between the western coast and the eastern coast in brief. The western coast, sandwiched between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea, is a narrow plain. It consists of various sections like the northern part of the coast, that is the Gujarat coast, which is called as the Kutch coast and the Kathiawar coast. Next comes the Konkan coast, that is Mumbai to Goa. The central stretch is called the Kannada coastal plain, that is which is in the Karnataka region, while the southern stretch is referred to as the Malabar coast plain, which is located in the Kerala. There are many ports located on the western coast. Rivers like Narmada and Tapi flow westwards and form estuaries here. They directly join the seas without forming the deltas, as the area is very narrow here. Do you know these plains are underwater and Dwaraka is also submerged here? The tip of the Kanyakumari is the Cape Comorin. Now the eastern coastal plains. The plains along the Bay of Bengal are wide and level than the western coastal area. In the northern part, it is referred to as the Utkal plain, and the northern Sarkar, which covers a region of half Orissa to half Andhra Pradesh, while the southern part is known as the Coromandel coast, which covers a region of half Andhra Pradesh to Tamil Nadu. East-flowing rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri form widespread deltas on the eastern coastline. Deltas are formed here because its area is wide. Lake Chilika is an important feature along the eastern coast. The Chilika Lake is the largest saltwater lake in India. It lies in the state of Orissa to the south of the Mahanadi Delta. Do you know? Generally, the lakes are fresh water, but as the Chilika Lake meets with the sea water, so it is salty. It is a lagoon, which means a part of the sea got separated and a lake was formed. Let us now discuss about the two island groups in brief, which are a part of the Indian Union. Number 1, the Lakshadweep Islands. The Lakshadweep Islands is a group of islands lying close to the Malabar coast of Kerala. This group of islands is composed of small coral islands located in the Arabian Sea. They are made up of coral polyps. Earlier, these islands were known as Lakshadweep, Minicoy and Amindivi and was renamed as Lakshadweep in 1973. The northern group is called as Amini Islands and the southern group is called as the Kannanur Islands. They both are divided by a water body called as the 11-degree channel. Kavarati Island is the administrative headquarters of Lakshadweep and also its capital. Minicoy is the largest among all. Do you know? This island group has great diversity of flora and fauna. The Pitti Island, which is uninhabited, has a bird sanctuary and many migratory birds come here. Number 2, the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands. Now, you see the elongated chain of the islands located in the Bay of Bengal, extending from north to south. These are the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands. They are bigger in size and are more in number and scattered. There are around 572 islands here. The entire group of islands are divided into two broad categories. The Andaman in the north and the Nicobar in the south. They are separated by a water body named the 10-degree channel. Do you know Sentinelese Island is an isolated island of cannibals which is a part of Andaman. One more fact for you all. It is believed that the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands are an elevated portion of the submarine mountains and are also an extension of the Purvanchal Hills of northeast. These island groups are of great strategic importance for the country. There is also diversity of flora and fauna in this group of islands too. These islands lie close to the equator, that is to 6-degree position, and experience equatorial climate and has thick forest cover. It has more rainfall as it is near to the sea. Major area is inhabited by tribes here. The capital of this union territory is Port Blair. Do you know India's only active volcano is found on the barren island in Andaman and Nicobar group of islands. It erupts every 40 to 50 years. Let us now conclude with all the major physical features of India. A detailed account of the different physiographic units highlights the unique features of each region. It would, however, be clear that each region complements the other and makes the country richer in its natural resources. The mountains are the major sources of the water and the forest wealth. The northern plains are the granaries of the country. They provide the base for early civilizations. The plateau is a storehouse of minerals, which has played a crucial role in the industrialization of the country. The coastal region and the island groups provide sites for fishing and port activities. Thus, the diverse physical features of the land have immense future possibilities of development. So friends, with this video, we completed all the major physical features across India. And in my next video, I'm going to come with another interesting topic. If you like my video, don't forget